I'm Rich Free with the RG Group, here today to talk about flexible outsourced manufacturing. So as we talk about flexible outsourced manufacturing and we look at the three buckets with which we help customers, one of course would be R&D, the beginning of a project. Second would be production. You're full scale and you're looking for flexibility based on demand. And third would be obsolescence or end of life. Nobody really likes to talk about obsolescence or end of life, but it's an important aspect of keeping your customer relationship strong. So one of the things that we offer is we can take those product or product lines that you're still representing but are not profitable for you and make them more profitable. How do we do that? Well, we'll take over the engineering requirements, we'll take over the supply chain requirements, we'll take over the logistics and warehousing and ship complete systems or product to your end customers, keeping your quality in mind, which allows you, as your customers are changing, to develop with them and basically stay focused on the products that are most profitable to you. So if you have some things that you'd like to not do anymore, give us a call. We may be able to help you and improve your return on investment and help you with flexible outsourced manufacturing. Thanks very much. Look forward to hearing from you.